Welcome to the Opath.Tech mobile inspection app. In this video, we'll walk through the process of completing a full vehicle inspection, from logging in to completing every inspection point. Let's get started. Enter your email address and password, then tap Login. If you need to check your password before signing in, tap the eye icon to show or hide it. Once you're logged in, select the type of inspection you're performing. Tap the inspection type menu and choose pre-trip, during trip, or post-trip. Be sure to select the correct inspection type before you begin. You'll now see the vehicle inspection screen. This screen shows your vehicle information and your inspection progress. Tap Inspection Points Completed to see the inspection points assigned to this vehicle. The inspection points are color-coded. Red means the inspection point still needs to be completed, while green means it has already been completed. The app will automatically start with the first inspection point. After that, you can select the next inspection point you want to inspect in whatever order works best for you. Before completing the inspection point, carefully inspect the area of the vehicle shown on the screen. Review the vehicle and inspection information to make sure you're inspecting the correct area. If you need guidance, tap Instruction Details. The instructions provide additional information about how to inspect this area. This step is optional. Now let's document the inspection area. Tap Picture Required to take a photo. Make sure your pictures clearly show the area you're inspecting. If you need additional photos, tap Add Image and continue taking pictures until the area has been properly documented. If you find a defect or anything that needs attention, tap Comment and enter a description. Be specific about what you found. If the defect is critical and needs immediate attention, mark the comment as urgent. Once you've finished inspecting the area, taking your photos, and adding any necessary comments, tap Mark Complete. You'll receive a confirmation that the inspection point has been completed. Tap OK to continue. Now return to the inspection point list and select the next red inspection point. Follow the same process. Inspect the area, review the instructions if needed, take your photos, add comments when necessary, and mark the point complete. Continue until all of the inspection points are green. When every inspection point is green, the vehicle inspection is complete. The Opath.Tech app is now ready for the next full inspection. You can access the app menu by tapping the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, you have three options: Start New Inspection, See Completed Inspections, and Log Out. Start New Inspection will end the current inspection and begin a new vehicle inspection. Use this option if you want to reset all inspection points to red and begin a new inspection. See Completed Inspections will open the Opath.Tech dashboard app and take you to your list of completed inspections. You can review your completed inspections from there. Use the same email address and password that you used to log in to the mobile inspection app. Log Out will sign you out of the Opath.Tech mobile inspection app. Use this option when you are finished using the app. If you don't log out, the app will keep you signed in for up to 24 hours, so you won't have to enter your password each time you open the app. Thank you for using Opath.Tech. Drive safely and have a great day.